Imagine a digital ledger, a ledger that is not just a simple record of transactions but a sophisticated, highly secure and decentralized system. A really secure one. One that uses advanced cryptographic techniques to ensure that every piece of data is protected. That's essentially what a blockchain is. It's a distributed ledger technology that allows data to be stored globally on thousands of servers. It's a revolutionary technology changing how we think about trust and data. By removing the need for a central authority, blockchain creates a new paradigm of decentralized trust. Blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These digital currencies rely on blockchain to ensure secure and transparent transactions. But it's much more than that. Blockchain technology extends far beyond the realm of cryptocurrencies. It has the potential to revolutionize various industries. From finance and healthcare to supply chain management and voting systems, blockchain is making waves. Think of blockchain as a digital record of transactions. Each transaction is a block, and these blocks are linked together in a chain. It's like a giant public book that everyone can see. This transparency is one of the key features that make blockchain so powerful. But unlike a regular book, you can't erase or change anything in it. Once a block is added to the chain, it is immutable. Once something is recorded on the blockchain, it's there forever. This permanence ensures that data integrity is maintained. This makes it incredibly secure and transparent. Every transaction is verified by multiple nodes, making it nearly impossible to tamper with. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of blockchain and explore how it's shaping our digital future. From smart contracts to decentralized applications, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a world where contracts execute themselves when conditions are met, or where supply chains are transparent from start to finish. Blockchain is not just a technology, it's a movement towards a more secure, transparent, and efficient digital world. So buckle up and get ready to explore the endless possibilities that blockchain has to offer. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business leader, or just curious about the future, there's something in the world of blockchain for everyone. Let's embark on this journey together and see how blockchain is transforming our world, one block at a time. Imagine a chain made of individual blocks. Each block contains information about transactions. When a new transaction happens, it's added to a block. Once the block is filled, it's linked to the previous block, forming a chain. This chain is the blockchain. It's constantly growing as new blocks are added. But there's a twist. These blocks are linked using something called cryptography. Cryptography is like a super secret code that secures the blockchain. It ensures that no one can tamper with the information. This makes blockchain incredibly secure and difficult to hack. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to use blockchain technology. Think of Bitcoin as digital gold. It's a digital currency that you can use to buy things online. But unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is not controlled by any government or financial institution. It's decentralized. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on the blockchain. This means that every time someone sends or receives Bitcoin, it's recorded on this public ledger. The blockchain ensures that all transactions are secure and transparent. No one can cheat the system. Now let's meet Ethereum. Ethereum is like Bitcoin's cooler, more versatile cousin. While Bitcoin is primarily known as digital gold, a store of value, Ethereum brings a whole new level of functionality to the table. It also uses blockchain technology but takes it a step further with something called smart contracts. These smart contracts are essentially self-executing contracts where the terms of the agreement are directly written into lines of code. Imagine self-executing contracts that automatically enforce the terms agreed upon by the parties involved. No need for intermediaries or middlemen, which can save time and reduce costs significantly. That's what smart contracts do. They ensure that all parties adhere to the terms of the agreement without the need for a third party to oversee the process. For example, let's say you're buying a house. Traditionally, this process involves a lot of paperwork, legal fees, and waiting time. But with Ethereum's smart contracts, this can be streamlined. You could use a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain to automate the entire process. The contract would be programmed to handle all the necessary steps, from verifying the buyer's funds to transferring the property title. The contract would release the payment to the seller only when the ownership of the house is transferred to you. This ensures that both parties fulfill their obligations before any money changes hands. Pretty neat, huh? But the potential of Ethereum and its smart contracts doesn't stop at real estate. They can be used in a multitude of industries, from finance and insurance to supply chain management and healthcare. In healthcare, for instance, smart contracts can be used to securely share patient records between doctors and hospitals, ensuring privacy and accuracy. In supply chain management, they can track the journey of goods from manufacturer to consumer, providing transparency and reducing fraud. Developers around the world are constantly creating new decentralized applications, or dApps, on the Ethereum platform. These dApps leverage the power of smart contracts to offer innovative solutions to everyday problems. As Ethereum continues to evolve, its impact on the digital world is only expected to grow. With its ability to facilitate secure, transparent, and efficient transactions, Ethereum is truly the king of smart contracts. Section 5. A trustworthy system. Blockchain technology is like a digital notary public. It provides a secure and transparent way to record and verify transactions. This is especially important in the world of cryptocurrency. Since cryptocurrencies are decentralized, blockchain ensures that all transactions are legitimate and trustworthy. But the beauty of blockchain goes beyond just cryptocurrency. Its ability to create tamper-proof records has enormous potential in various fields. We're talking about revolutionizing industries like supply chain management, healthcare, and even voting. Section 6. Beyond cryptocurrency, blockchain's expanding universe. Let's move beyond the realm of digital currencies. Blockchain technology is like a Swiss Army knife. It has a wide range of potential applications. From tracking diamonds to securing medical records, blockchain is poised to transform various industries. Imagine a world where you can trace the journey of your food from farm to table, or a healthcare system where your medical records are secure and easily accessible. Blockchain can make these visions a reality. Section 7. Supply chain. Tracking goods with transparency. Ever wondered about the journey your coffee beans take to reach your cup? From the lush green fields where they are harvested to the intricate sorting processes in the factory, each step is crucial. But how can we ensure that every stage of this journey is transparent and trustworthy? Blockchain can provide a transparent and secure way to track goods throughout the supply chain. This revolutionary technology creates a decentralized ledger that records every transaction and movement of goods. Each entry is immutable, meaning it cannot be altered or tampered with, ensuring the integrity of the data. From the moment a product is made to when it reaches the consumer, blockchain can record every step of the journey. Imagine a factory worker tagging products with QR codes that are linked to a blockchain. These codes can be scanned at various checkpoints, such as when the products are loaded onto delivery trucks, providing real-time updates on their location and status. This not only helps businesses optimize their supply chains, but also empowers consumers with valuable information about the products they buy. Businesses can analyze the data to identify bottlenecks, reduce inefficiencies, and improve overall logistics. Meanwhile, consumers can make informed decisions by accessing detailed information about the product's journey. Imagine knowing the origin, sustainability, and ethical practices behind your purchases with just a scan of your phone. With blockchain, you can verify if the coffee beans were sourced from fair trade farms, whether the production process was environmentally friendly, and if the workers were treated ethically. This level of transparency builds trust and fosters a more responsible and conscious consumer culture. In essence, blockchain technology transforms the way we track and trace goods, making the entire supply chain more transparent, efficient, and trustworthy. It bridges the gap between producers and consumers, ensuring that every product's story is told with accuracy and integrity. So next time you enjoy your cup of coffee, remember the journey it took to get to you, and how blockchain technology is making that journey more transparent and reliable than ever before. Section 8. Healthcare. Empowering patients with secure data. In a world of increasing data breaches, blockchain offers a secure way to store and manage sensitive medical records. With blockchain, patients can have control over their own health data. They can grant access to doctors or researchers securely and transparently. This not only empowers patients, but also facilitates medical research and innovation. Imagine a world where researchers can access vast amounts of anonymized medical data, leading to breakthroughs in disease prevention and treatment. Section 9. Voting, casting ballots with confidence. Free and fair elections are the cornerstone of a democratic society. Blockchain technology can help ensure the integrity of voting systems by creating a tamper-proof record of votes. With blockchain-based voting, it would be nearly impossible to rig elections or manipulate results. This could revolutionize the way we vote, making elections more secure, transparent, and accessible to all. Imagine a future where you can cast your vote from the comfort of your home, knowing that your vote is counted accurately and securely. Section 10. Digital Identity, Owning and Controlling Your Information. In the digital age, our identity is scattered across various online platforms. Blockchain can help us regain control of our digital identities by providing a secure and decentralized way to manage our personal information. Imagine having a single, secure digital identity that you control. You could use this identity to access various online services without having to create multiple accounts and share your personal information with countless companies. Section 11. The future of blockchain, a world of possibilities. The future of blockchain is bright. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. From creating new forms of digital art and music to revolutionizing the way we interact with the internet, blockchain has the potential to transform our world in countless ways. Imagine a world where trust is built into the very fabric of the digital world, where transactions are secure, transparent, and accessible to all. This is the promise of blockchain technology. Section 12. Challenges and Opportunities. Navigating the blockchain frontier. While the future of blockchain is promising, there are still challenges to overcome. Scalability, regulation, and energy consumption are just a few of the hurdles that need to be addressed. However, these challenges also present opportunities for innovation and growth. As with any transformative technology, there will be bumps along the road. But with continued research, development, and collaboration, we can harness the full potential of blockchain to create a better future. Section 13. Conclusion. Embracing the transformative power of blockchain. Blockchain technology is more than just a buzzword. It's a fundamental shift in how we think about trust, security, and transparency in the digital age. From cryptocurrencies to supply chains, healthcare to voting, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize countless industries and aspects of our lives. As we venture further into the digital frontier, embracing the transformative power of blockchain will be crucial in shaping a future that is more secure, equitable, and efficient for all.